Tonight we gather here to celebrate and recognize all our about 31 interns.
That will take us into a different and better world. And that's what this event, that's what this internship has always represented for me.
Great difference in our office and increased our understanding exponentially.
If you can do it somewhere where you are the fish out of water, then when you are back in your own water, you will have a strong advantage over your peers with that extra life experience.
Define who you are as a leader. So please take full advantage of it. Please take advantage of the offices you're in. And I really want to thank FUSIA interns in the past, past summer times.
On their last days on this earth, they believed in you. They believed in what you, all of you, represent. You represent the next generation of greatness. Don't let us down. We need you. We need you to change this world.